Hi everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm a huge fan of adding color and whimsy to my backyard area.
That's exactly what I get with this wind chime from Toodour. So during the day, it's gorgeous. At night, it's just a showstopper. Those solar powered lights just glow beautifully, adding so much color to my patio area. Now there's two settings to this wind chime for the lights. There's a steady on and also a pulsing light. And the starfish look clear during the day, but they are green and blue at night. I love that variety in this wind chime. So whether it's daylight or whether it's nighttime, it looks gorgeous. It's lightweight and durable. Even when it gets rained on, I haven't had any problems here on my patio. I love the way these seashells and starfish look hanging with the green and blue. It adds just a beautiful touch of color to my backyard area. And of course, the fact that it's absorbing sunlight and just shining away all day, but then at night, it's so beautiful. And did I mention the sound? It's so relaxing. You could swear that instead of being in my backyard, you're at a resort or definitely an island paradise.
When you have something as beautiful as this and it lights up at night, I really feel you get 2 for 1 when it comes to decorating the backyard. I'm so pleased with how this looks and sounds day or night, and that is my point of view.